So I always start my garden planning early. In fact, I garden year round and I started planning for my spring garden in February. Save money and grow your own salad greens in your own vegetable garden. If you grow only one vegetable other than tomatoes and cucumbers, it should be lettuce. Growing lettuce is so easy. It takes up little space. Leaf lettuce is easy to tuck in between and under taller vegetables. It's perfect for small gardens, for container gardens. This is Blissful Spaces. I am in my garden and I am harvesting Butter Crunch lettuce, my favorite. Butter Crunch, or better known as butter lettuce, has lots of health benefits. Did you know that 2 cups of these leafy greens only has 2 grams of carbohydrates? So it's the perfect ingredient for a low carb meal. It's also ideal for a low fat, low calorie, low sodium, and of course, low cholesterol diet. I will see you in my next garden video. Stay loving, be kind, and stay healthy.